AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, absolutely spectacular weather as we head into the weekend after the stormy start to the day and the severe weather threat and heavy rain threat. Most of Acadiana dodging a bullet once again. We have been living right over the last month with all these severe weather threats and not seeing a whole lot close to home, but around us a different story. More on that in just a bit. First off, let's take a look at the satellite imagery put in motion over the last 24 hours. And starting from last night, there were some tornadic storms across much of Texas. Late yesterday afternoon, they moved generally to the northeast, and this one supercell line moved through the northern part of the state, producing that EF3 tornado. Preliminary reports as an EF3 tornado up by Ruston during the course of the overnight hours between 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning, doing a lot of damage to the Louisiana Tech areas we showed you earlier. Unfortunately, 2 fatalities as well. So a rough night last night, and the storm surveys, the National Weather Service has 3 teams out in the field surveying from Ruston all the way back through Texas on that particular severe weather outbreak. Meanwhile, close to home, quiet, clear skies. Not a cloud to be found in Louisiana at this hour. Rainfall-wise, only 0.08 inches, less than 1/10 of an inch at the Lafayette Airport, but there were spots that picked up 3 to 4 inches of rain, in some cases a good soaking here and there, and even more so as we got into eastern Louisiana. So a tough forecast when we go from 1 to 3. This is sometime the result, and there are even some spots that didn't look like they got much rain at all. So kind of a crazy pattern to forecast, and even more difficult to assess, especially with respect to severe weather. And these are the severe weather reports over the last 24 hours, picking it up late yesterday with wind and tornadoes. And then you can see how much of Louisiana was populated with heavy rainfall, wind damage, and at least 5 tornado reports as of today. We'll probably see more in this box. A total of 62 severe weather reports, and notice much of Acadiana in the clear. Weak tornado over by the Vinton area doing some tree damage, but that's all we had. Some wind damage reported up in Avoyelles towards Rapides, but none in Acadiana proper, and that was the good news. So nice and cool weather coming as we head into tomorrow morning. Seasonably cool, though, lower 60s. That's where we should be this time of year, and wall-to-wall sunshine tomorrow. A nice breeze. Lunchtime temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Will top out in the lower 80s. Looks good for drive time, commute time, and then going into Festival tomorrow evening. Cooling off nicely. Notice the temperatures at 10 o'clock tomorrow night in the lower 60s. So you may want to dress a little bit more warmly for tomorrow evening as compared to this evening. And then nice and cool as we start our Saturday, and a nice warm Saturday afternoon. This low pressure system off to the north will carry a frontal boundary with it, but that front is going to wash out well north of the region. So more nice weather for Sunday. A few more clouds though as we go into Sunday afternoon, but overall a beauty of a weekend. So tonight getting down into the lower 60s, upper 50s from Ville Platte on northward perhaps for your low, and then tomorrow upper 70s to lower 80s. We'll go about 81 for the projected high. Tomorrow night cooler, getting down into the mid 50s through Saturday morning, and then Saturday afternoon back into the upper 70s to lower 80s. Just spectacular weather, perfect timing for Festival. Now here's your festival forecast, cooling nicely tomorrow evening, so keep that in mind. These are 8 p.m. temperatures for the evening hours and your Celsius as well, and magnificent weather for Saturday and into Sunday as well. So a beautiful evening, clear skies, seasonably cooler overall. We'll go down to 17 Celsius tonight. Then for tomorrow, a whopping 27 degrees and magnifique weather with lots of sunshine and a nice breeze and low humidity. As we go down the road going into next week, some clouds entering the forecast, maybe a few showers. Toward the end of next week, perhaps into the following weekend, a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. But right now, this 10-day forecast is free of any cool fronts and maybe severe weather as well. So that would be a nice change for the better. But notice those temperatures toward the end of that 10-day forecast, pushing the mid to maybe upper 80s.
All righty.
That's
Thanks, Rob.